Yeah, so this is the Nuku tomatoes and 2 hour free. This one is not the Nyadwad garden eggs is not really coming out that much, but the Nukus come and the so this is what the nesting looks like. What the nesting looks like. And then we've made a gutter for rainwater, but unfortunately because there's a hole here, it's stopping the garden eggs, which doesn't like a lot of water. This is the plantain springing out. So all of this is going to shelf, and then the plantain is going to come out. Let me just show you quickly. This is the plantain, natural water. So as you can see, the plantain, this might come out, but it's not coming out yet. So the old ones are going to go, and the new one's going to spring out. I just want to show you quickly. As you can tell, there's a bit of stagnant water here. It hasn't even rained. So this is the corn that's come out. That's the corn here, and that's the corn there. So there's corn in between them, but you wouldn't see it. But all the corn is sprung out as well. And this is the beans. Now this is the beans here. Yeah, Nkati. Oh, sorry, where Nkati no. Yeah, but we see a yimu. We see a yimu answer. Now Nkati no nkwaleka. Aha. Na grass na one in term now. Yeah, yeah. And we need beans. Yeah, so as you can see, grazing now grew up. Yeah, little hut over there as well. Now there's a lot of Mponche coming to mess up with our stuff, so we're gonna block the thing here so that the goats can come and eat our stuff. But yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. This is about a week and a half or 2 weeks and everything. Yeah, 2 weeks. Okay. Yeah, so a bit more work to do, but it's looking good.